today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur text in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the Media pool and select Import Media. Choose clip containing text you want to blur, and double-click it to load it into your Media pool. Then drag and drop clip onto your timeline. Click on Color tab at the bottom of screen. Locate part clip where you want to text you want to blur. Use playhead to navigate to exact frame containing text. Click on Mask tool from toolbar on screen. Choose Curve option. Use Curve Mask tool to draw shape around text you want to blur. Ensure that mask covers entire area of text. Within mask selected, click on Track Forward button in the Track section. DaVinci Resolve will automatically track movement of clip, and after checking is completed, go to Blur section of toolbar and increase the radius of blur effect. This will blur area covered by mask, effectively hiding text. Play back your video to ensure text is effectively blurred. If needed, make further adjustment to mask or blur settings until you achieve desired results.